In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Jotform submissions. Whether you're running a business, organizing an event, or conducting surveys, Jotform is an incredibly useful tool that lets you collect information through online forms, but sometimes you need to go back and edit the information submitted. Maybe there's a typo in a respondent's email, or perhaps their information has changed. Whatever the reason, editing submissions is a straightforward process, and today I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to head over to the Jotform homepage. This is your starting point for creating, managing, and now editing submissions from your Jotform forms. Once you're there, you're met with a sleek, user-friendly interface. But the real magic happens once you log in. Logging in is your next step. On the homepage, you'll find the login option. Click on this and you'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you've connected your Jotform account to Google or another platform, you'll see options for those as well. This feature is quite helpful for those who prefer a quicker, more seamless login process using their existing accounts. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to My Forms. This is essentially your command center where all your created forms are housed. Here you can manage your forms, view submissions, and as we're focusing on today, edit those submissions. Once you've found yourself on the My Forms page, the next step involves locating the form you wish to edit. Forms are typically listed with the most recent form first, but if you have many, you might need to scroll or search for the specific one you're interested in. When you've located the right form, hover over it and you'll see a More button appear. Clicking on this button will open up a variety of options, but for our purposes, you want to select Submissions. This action will take you directly to all the submissions that your selected form has received. Now onto the editing part, you'll find yourself on a page where submissions are neatly organized and displayed. To edit a submission, simply double click on the name or the email section or whichever field you need to correct or update. This flexibility to quickly dive into editing is particularly useful for making fast corrections without needing to navigate through multiple screens or settings. For instance, editing a name or an email address is done in exactly the same manner. Double-click on the field that needs to be edited. A cursor will appear, allowing you to backspace, delete, or type new information as needed. This freedom to edit directly within the submissions table makes Jotform user-friendly and efficient for managing your forms and the data they collect. And just like that, with a few quick clicks and a bit of typing, you can update and correct submissions received through your Jotform forms. This not only ensures that your data stays accurate and up to date, but also exemplifies the versatility and user-centric design of Jotform's platform. Before wrapping up, here are a couple of handy tips to remember. Always double-check the information you edit for accuracy. It's easy to make a typo, especially while correcting another. And second, if you're managing forms for a team or organization, make sure to communicate any changes you've made, especially if the information is critical to someone else's work. Editing submissions in Jotform is just one of the many tools and features that make it such a powerful platform for anyone collecting data online. Whether you need a sign-up sheet for a local event or a comprehensive survey for the market research, Jotform provides the flexibility and ease of use to meet your needs. And with the ability to edit submissions, you have full control over the data you collect, ensuring it remains accurate and relevant. And there we have it, a simple, straightforward guide to editing submissions on Jotform. With this knowledge in your toolkit, managing your online forms will be smoother and more efficient than ever. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your success with Jotform.